At Rivian, we're focused on projects that can bring the most value to communities, conservation, and climate. And so we work with partners like Pivot because they share those values.
Pivot Energy focuses on community solar sites. We contract farmers to come and run their livestock on site to manage the vegetation. So instead of bringing feed to the sheep, we're simply bringing the sheep to the feed.
It's this mix of what's called agrivoltaics, where you're enhancing the land from where it was before and generating clean energy that helps improve the reliability of our electric grid and helps improve the affordability as well.
I'm the 6th generation farmer. We've been at my farm since the 1850s. We do not have enough land base where I can just make a living farming. This is more closely related to farming than anything else I've done to supplement my income, and gives our sheepdog Tana a job too.
They really care about us as farm partners, and it's cool to be part of projects that are looking to change the path of sustainable energy.
The solar farm is much more profitable. It increases the value of the farm, and it's a regular income.
I think answering that vegetation question in a really responsible way is something that we're really proud of. We are able to really, truly impact farmers like Brooke and Chauncey and like so many others across the country.
Every single vehicle we deploy gets its first 10,000 miles powered by 100% clean energy. And that comes from projects like this. Now our customers know every time they get behind the wheel of a Rivian, they're helping to bring these projects to the grid for our climate and for conservation.